Abby Jones here from Planning with Happy J, and today we're working in my mini, my everyday carry, from the 27th of July to the 2nd of August. Can you believe it's going to be August already? So let's get started. Now this is what I carry around. I put in here all the things that I do outside the home. Nothing that I do inside the home. And I have decided that I really didn't need it in that very thing to put in my purse, because I don't need to put it in my purse. I just need to take it in the car. So I'm back into my regular planner, which is this one. And then I'm just carrying the whole thing into the car. Okay, now let's get started with, I'm back in my Roy G. Biv Boxes and Florals, Volume 6. And let's start with this page first. And I want to start with this one here. Now I have to place it just right. There. Now I want to put down, let's see, do I want it like this or like this? I don't think that's orange enough. Let me see in my other box. Yeah, this is more orange. The only thing with these boxes is they're a pain in the neck to get out. Yes, that goes better. Okay, let's put this aside for now. And let's cut it. And now let's put this one underneath it. And let's cut it. And let's do the same thing down here. And cut it. And cut it. Now let's put the orange on top of it. And cut it. Now let's take this one. And place it right there. Now, do I have room for this box? Or do I want to just put my dots? Let's try the box first. There. And I like about 4. And 2. And 3. And 4. Okay, that takes care of that page. Now, I have appointments on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, how do I want to do that? Do I want to do it with a box? Let's see. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday I have dance lessons. I knew it was going down crooked. All right, where did it go? Oh, there. And I laid it down anyhow. So let's start over again. And this one could be straightened out a little too. There. Now I want for the other days, you never know what you're going to have. Saturday and Sunday. I think I'm going to do just one box on Sunday and one box on Saturday, because the chances of me running out are rare those days. Now let's get to some designs down here. Now I have 2 corner ones. Do I want to put it down here? Oops. Okay, do I want to put the corner one down here? Yeah, let me try the corner one down here. I hate to use up a good corner one. Okay. Let's put it right down there. Now that goes nice. And now let's do a small one and cut it in half. And let's put it, how about down here? I got a little wrinkle here. Now, do I want it to go up? I think I do. Let's just cut it here. Yeah, I like how that goes up in there. That's pretty. And let's do one more. And let's put it along here. Now, I either didn't cut it straight, I didn't quite cut it straight. So let me just go down this line here. There. Now I have one more piece. And where do I want to put it? Let's put it, well, I may do some running around with my son because I have an annual eye pressure exam and it's not far from his house. So I may need the space. To write things in there. Okay, I think that's it. And I like how this came out. I wasn't sure if it would work out well. Now, before I try to put it in the book, and I think that's the only one, yeah. Okay, let's put it back in the book. And there it is, the last week in July and the beginning of August. So thank you for watching, and bye.